Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com. And if you're looking for an alternative to hand files for your IPR, interproximal reduction for your ortho cases, I really want to thank the folks at DentaSonic for sending me this cool kit to demo. So it's made in Switzerland. It's making its way to the US. I know a few of you have tried it, especially my connections in the UK. They've been telling me about this product. So I reached out to the nice folks at DentaSonic and I talked to Michael Nordahl, and if you'd like a connection to check out this product, it is just coming out on the US market and it's pretty darn cool. So I am glad to give you Mr. Nordahl's contact information. You can contact me at info@straightsmilesolutions.com or www.straightsmilesolutions.com, and I'll be glad to introduce you. But yeah, this is their handpiece. Check it out. I haven't used it in office yet. We will be using it on our patients when we get a chance, definitely. We've been using the Fit Strip kit before, and that's been working for us, but I know my husband's the one that actually does the IPR on the patients. It's his thing. So, sometimes he's like, oh my gosh, it takes so much time. It's very accurate, but it's just really time consuming. And sometimes he's been trying out mosquito burr and some other stuff, and he's been asking me about this kit. So I'm super excited. They sent me one. Here's what it looks like inside. So basically it comes with a handpiece. It's gonna go on your slow speed motor. This little thing pops out. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, this little black thing pops out here. This is just for transport. But you're gonna put this on your slow speed motor. You've got a variety, you've got your IPR gauges. This is for cleaning. And then we've got all of our little saws in various gauges, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. So there's no intermediate, and some saws, and these are like finishing ones. They're almost like smoothing paper, like composite finishing strips. So there's no like intermediate, so it's just, flat numbers only, not like 1.5 or anything like that, or 2.5. But, you've got it here, so definitely check it out. I mean, these are not pre-curved, so you're not gonna be able to do this on it's tricky. I mean, how you're gonna have to do it. Personally, I would keep it on straight teeth or posterior molars, definitely. I think it would definitely work. But stay tuned, we're planning to make a demo video at some point whenever we can get a patient to consent to us filming them, or maybe we'll just do it on a type-it-on later in office. A little tricky, to try to get some time set aside to do this, but we will get it done eventually. But I just wanted to show you the apparatus for now and let you know that it is there if you'd like to learn more. And price point is less than $1,000. I don't know the exact retail price point in the US. You can ask Mr. Nordahl exactly what it is, but this is what it does come with, so you can see what it comes with. And I'm assuming these last for a few patients. You can definitely buy refills. They sell them here. Again, don't know what the pricing is. You'll need to ask, but here's what they look like if you want to buy them. And it looks like they come in 5 and 12 packs. Okay. All right. Thanks so much.